Thank you, Marina Summers, Drag Race Philippines, Drag Con LA. You're also sweet. What's the tea, everybody? Hi, I'm Elaina, Olada Deluxe, the tea on Fridays. And today is Friday, that means Fridays are a drag. And we're doing this look by Marina Summers. I saw her drag on and I said, I'm gonna do your face, I'm gonna do your makeup. And she said, yes, please. So, of course, I love to do makeup, and this has been requested by my subscribers a few times before. So, there you go. It's one of her golden looks. So if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. Like, comment, subscribe, ring notification bell, and follow me on social media. All the links are down below. So let's get right into this. So let's start with the eyebrows. The eyebrows are pretty much all up snatched. Just the way I love them, the evil eyebrow. So I already did this one. And I'm gonna go straight up. I'm using kimchi pencil, by the way. This is a blonde pencil. It's not very useful to draw like hairs, but it's great to map out eyebrows because it's soft enough and it's light enough so I can make it any color afterwards. So for the foundation, I'm going with my full cover foundation by Revolution Pro, and this is F10. I just put self tanner yesterday to look extra bronzed. Highlight with ABH concealer, and this is one. It's the lightest color. I put a little foundation on my eyes just to conceal the darkness, because the foundation color actually covers the darkness better. It's a warm tone. But this is great highlight. It's almost white, but not quite white. So I find that consistency of this concealer is great. It's not too dry. It's full coverage, so I really love this one. This has to be one of my favorites, like this one and kimchi. Those are the two of my favorites. The regular highlight, the middle of the face, pretty much. I'm just looking at her picture, the one that I want to emulate. I'm using my Aesthetica palette for contour, two dark tones mixed together. Just a regular contour. I mean, she's very young. Her skin is very smooth. There is no apparent wrinkles or lines like sometimes you see those, vertical lines in some aged queens, But she's like very smooth. Her features are very soft, so she contours a little bit lower than most, I think. It kind of starts here, but it's like ends up a little lower, I think. And her face is like more square here, like some of the, apparently she's a man, so I'm not gonna contour anything here, so up front it doesn't look too narrow. For the nose contour, I'm going with the middle color, the one I panned. There's a big hole in the middle. As she contours into the brow, into the crease, seems like her makeup is like all the pictures I've seen are brown. She's like a real brown neutral girl. Like brown, we don't know her, but that's for me, of course. I'm gonna start right into my crease and start coloring the crease and creating the shape, because looks like it's all blended together, the eyeshadow and the shape. I'm gonna start like doing this and go into the nose. Contour with Yardi Cosmetics Contour Palette Culture 1. And I'm gonna go with the warmer tone Patois, because she's like very warm, her skin tone. Normally I would contour with History, but maybe I'll mix them. I feel like I need a lot of warmth in this look. Just emphasizing the nose contour with the same Patois and maybe a little lighter shade music. Oh, So I baked off camera, of course, and now we're starting this snatched eye look. Very simple, and this is a perfect opportunity to use Kimchi Chic Beauty neutral palettes because Kimchi's got lots of neutral palettes, and she sent me, of course, they sent me PR. So this is Spinning Hearts palettes, and Spinning Hearts Love. So there's a pink one, it's all matte, and there is the blue one. It has a lot of shimmers actually. So I'm gonna use a little bit of both. So I'm gonna go for the darkest brown in this one, chocolate, and pretty much just sketch. Very simple look, but very effective, of course, because of the shape. And using warmer tones from the pink palette. I'm gonna go with cinnamon and caramel, kind of mix together. And just blend this all. So cut the crease with Kimchi concealer the most in white, just because it's very opaque. We're gonna give it a great base. So in this particular picture I'm looking at, she's got the crease that goes up a little bit, like a light line. I could do this with a liner, but also I could do this with cut crease and just put an eyeshadow here. Set it with these two colors. I just picked these two shimmers. I'm not sure if she had shimmer or matte, but I kind of feel like the shimmer and I'm going with it. Those are really pretty. One is called Her L, and the other one's called Iridescent Iris. Adding eyeliner, and I'm gonna use Anastasia Beverly Hills. I haven't used this one yet. This is one of the free ones we got on the show. Using Spinning Hearts, the black color from here. That's two blacks here. One is purplish black and one is just black. Just gonna slightly smudge this and blend this. Taking the black eyeliner pen, and this is from Wet n Wild, the Peanuts collection. She emphasizes the inner corner really down, and this one really up to create this even more tilted eye look. So I'm gonna color it dark black. Smudge some more brown eyeshadow here in the waterline, and now we're gonna use NYX white liner and add a little white line here. Some of the pictures she's all smoked, and some of the pictures she has this white line. It actually does emphasize the tilt, so it's gonna help with the shape. In blush, and I'm gonna use Kimchi Chic Mercedes, the orange side. She looks very bronzy and very warm, nothing pink. So I put the eyelashes off camera, and these are actually unknown origin. I think they are Dick Cosmetics, but I'm not 100% because they're sitting outside of their container. So I just trimmed them a little bit, and I put extra lashes pieces, like Amazon lashes, they're long, on each point, 1, 2, and 3, to emphasize the points, because her lashes are very like piecey, and these are already piecey, but I made them extra. So the lips are very rounded. I like the way she does her lips, and she's got great lips already. She's just gonna overline mercilessly as usual. I'm using ABH lip liner and parchment. For the lips, I'm using something warm. I'm using ABH lipstick, liquid lipstick, Ashton. And this might be a little dark, but I always go on with white or some light on top, so it's not a problem. Adding white lipstick, that Wet n Wild, just to make the lips extra plump, emphasize everything. And here it is, Marina Summers inspired makeup for one of the photo shoots that I chose. I inserted the image earlier so you can look it up. It's not the exact outfit she wore, alright? She was wearing no gold, but I didn't have anything gold, so I just put a little something, threw something together as usual. The old Halloween outfit. But anyway. So the crown or the hat, I actually used this one for Painted with Raven, the sin, Deadly Sins look, with the greed, and this one is from Amazon. Earrings too. I don't remember where I got them, but anyway, I'll put her signature birthmarks off camera, just a few dots, and there you have it. This wig I used a lot of things. I used it a lot, so I chose this look primarily because she has a lot of fancy wigs, all and they go up all kind of fancy ways, and I don't have anything like this. And this look in particular had this long brown hair just hanging back behind her back, and that's what we got. So I'm totally feeling it's very neutral, it's very not me, but it's very effective because it gives you this up snatched look. So let me know what you guys think. Like this video, comment who you would like me to do next. Somebody famous. It goes better on YouTube. I haven't been on YouTube for a while because, you know, Dragon, obviously, and I was too busy and too lazy, whatever you call it, and haven't been very motivated because YouTube was kind of like dying, you know, nobody, I mean, at least mine, nobody watches this. Very few people do. So I got a little less and less motivated, but I do love to do Fridays Are Drag, and this is here to stay. So leave me a comment, like this video, just subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. So ring notification bell so you get notified of all new videos upload. So thank you guys for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you in my next fabulous video. Oh, bye!